On the 8th day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip, removing backgrounds from a photo.
In today's tip, we're going to look at how you can take a photo and then remove those distracting backgrounds and then use the photo to layer on other photos. Really cool. So let's first of all go and open a photograph. So let's open the Photos app. And then I have a photo down here, this disinfectant one here. And now what I'm going to do, all of that background I want to remove. If I keep my finger and press my finger, you will see a little halo glow around the object. You'll see this now. Okay, there was the whole halo. Now what we can do, we can either copy, we can speak it, we don't want to speak it, we can add it as a sticker or we can share. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to share it. And then it gives you the options of where you want to share it. So we can share it to our OneDrive. We can save the image to our photo library. Let's do that. So now in our photo library, we've got two. We've got the original one and now the one without the background. Okay. Now let's copy this rather than saving it. So let's tap on this. There we go. And we're going to copy it. Now what I'm going to do is I can copy and paste this into any app that I want. So I'm going to use PowerPoint. I'm going to create a brand new PowerPoint. Let's choose one with a background so we can see. Okay, so here is my PowerPoint. Paste that in by tapping the PowerPoint and clicking paste. All right, I can allow, and there is my image without a background. And then what I can do, I can layer things here. I'm going to delete these text boxes here. Now I can layer this with other things as well. So let's have a look at going to Safari and Googling some images. So let's have a look at images. I'm going to Google some dogs. All right, so let's Google some dogs and let's go to images. All right, now let's find one with a really dense background. Look, there's a nice one there. These three little dogs. So what I'm going to do is keep my finger on it. I'm going to save that to my photos. Now let's go back to PowerPoint. Let's tap the three dots at the top here and go to split view and then go to my photos. All right, so there's my disinfectant. Now if I scroll along, you can find there's the dogs. So what I can do now is keep my finger on those dogs again so you get that halo glow like that and then drag it over to PowerPoint, and now we have a picture without that background on there. And you can do this for layering as well. So I can move that behind. If I want to move it in front, I can arrange that by tapping on the arrange and then bring to the front. And now I can put it in front, and you can copy and paste those into any document. Now I've used PowerPoint here, but you can use any of the apps. So that's how you remove backgrounds from images and insert them into any of the apps. In tomorrow's tip, we're going to look at the Files app and how you can particularly scan a document and save it in your OneDrive.